Gamma is an AI tool that helps you generate presentations, documents, social media content, and websites, all with the help of a prompt. So let's quickly sign in ourselves. So here you have the option of inputting your own text. You can generate your text, or you can import a file or an URL. So we'll go by generating our text. So first, let's start by generating a presentation. You can select the number of slides that you want in your presentation. Give it 4 slides, and I'll give it a prompt. Let's use one of these example prompts, Industrial Revolution, and then we'll click on Generate Outline. The outlines are generated. Next, select one of the themes, this, and then click on Generate. And these are the results. This is our presentation that it has created. It has added images and charts on its own, and it has created it really beautifully. You can use some different kind of templates if you want. You can change the font style from here. Let's try now creating a web page. So again, I'll choose one of the example prompts from here and then generate outline. Once the outline is generated, we'll click on generate. Next, let's try to create a document, and then we'll click on generate outline. Let's this time give it a image style. I'll give it green images only. So you can also select your image model. Let's stick with Flux Fast and then click on generate. And this is the document that it has curated. Let's next try social. Here we'll give it a prompt and then generate outline and follow the steps that we have done earlier. And this is what it has created. So now with all the tools done, let's have a look at the pricing. So there's a pro plan for 750 rupees per month, and there's a plus plan for 400 rupees per month. So with that, have a happy creating.